Madam, sibona namhla i-Football Association iniketa impahla yokusebenza ikakhulu development yebhola yabomake. Kunijabulisa noma kunisita kangakanani ikonke equipment abaniketayo?
Kuyasijabulisa kakhulu Nkosi ngoba siyakhona kusebenza kahle nebamfana. Ngoba nababaningi labamfana bayakhona kuba cephula babe in groups. So wonke umfana uyakhona kuparticipate kahle.
I-importance participate in football, especially for both boys and girls, naloku the problem iba attached etikolweni ikakhulu nileli banga eliphasi primary school. Kumgcoka kangakanani kini and basita kangakanani abantwana in terms of kuba enhancer aligned with their education?
Imgcoka kakhulu ngoba labamfana they discover themselves. Bayakhona loku noma ngabe bekade ama sports awathathela phansi kuyamsida lokho ukuthi athi let me try the sport, and naloko ukuthi iwoman iya develop naye lo mfana as akhula naye kunengela la afike akufunze as a woman. So siyayithanda kakhulu program kakhulu.
Kune program noma kunesifundo sesikoleni i-physical education.
Yes.
Lokhanza ukuthi ikutsata ukusabantwana bayishumisa. Mhlambe nawe align with the current program nale equipment. Kutanisita kangakanani as otishela besasebenza?
Oh, dasita kakhulu. Yeah, ngoba vele tikolo tethu struggle ngolama equipments. So nyalo nje sesi at least sesizawusebenza kangcono because le health and physical education iqala lebo grade 1. So lo mfana noma ngabe senda ini lokunala lokuthenga this equipment sesi-right sesikahle sitawusebenza kahle kakhulu. So nalabamfana seba developa kahle kwanana nabo nje. Yeah.
Mhlambe umuntu lo uconze kuwe. I-football i-sport mhlambe lesidominate amadoda. Mhlambe yini lokufundisile wena usekiyo le program was because your school is one of the important schools, key schools that participate in that, and what encouragement will you give to other female teachers or other ladies, females as even to also participate in football?
Okay. Nami ngidimangele Nkosi. Bengaza ngicabanga ukuthi ngingayithanda i-football for women and nokuparticipate nje khona ingisitile in terms of staying healthy. So sekulula part of kokuthi akusadingi nokuthi ngene emgwaqweni kakhulu nangijimisa labantwana nami sengiyapartaker, and le kungimangalisa kakhulu ukuthi labamfana seeing a female coach baba motivated, baba nako ukuthi yo ngeke ngihlule mina ngiteacher. So kungisitile, and this time around because there was nyaka almost 2 coaching, so labamfana the girls sesine number lenkulu kuna the time we started last year. So I'm very happy with the program. Nami ngiyadimangala